Hi, my name is Kyara. I'm in the Human Services and Management program, and I graduated from Haverling High School. I chose Alfred because it felt like home. When you know, you know. And when I came on my tour, this was the one place that I felt like I could be myself, so I decided to come here. In the Human Services and Management program, we have a hands-on aspect. In class, it's not like you're sitting there and you're learning and you're having people talk to you. You're getting a real-life experience. They relate everything back to the real world. They prepare you for the workforce. And at the end of the program, you do have an internship, which is really nice. My internship was in the Unity Center on campus, and it really helped me open my eyes to different aspects of the field. This field is a very broad field, so it kind of helped me narrow down what I wanted to do and what I liked, and really benefited me in the classroom. Alfred State has helped me as a student, so I can help others in my career.